Hey, what's up you guys? If you're going to be towing a trailer with your Kia Sorento, you're going to need trailer wiring. It's required by the law. So let's go ahead and break down that really easy install. You'll need the tools seen here to complete your installation. So Kia makes this install really easy for us. We don't have to go through the taillights or get behind any panels. So on the driver's side, right behind the wheel well, Kia has a factory tow harness that consists of 2 plugs that we'll be using. So we're going to start by removing these 2 caps. On the top one, we have a tab up top here that we're going to push down, and it'll let us remove that. And on the second harness, to remove the cap, we'll push down on this tab right here. Now we're ready to plug in our trailer wiring harness. We're going to take the bigger gray one and we're going to plug it into the top one. And then we'll take the smaller black one and go to the bottom harness. Now on our harness near our converter box, we have a fuse holder. We're going to go ahead and pop open that cap. And then we're going to insert the included 15 amp fuse. And then we'll go ahead and put the cap back on. All right, so now with everything in place, we're going to go ahead and secure our converter box. Now our kit comes with some double-sided tape, but since this is underneath the vehicle and there's just no paneling to protect it, it'll be really easy for that tape to deteriorate and for this to fall and could get damaged. So we're just going to use some zip ties to secure it to that wiring harness. Now we're going to take this extra slack and zip tie this as well to our factory harness. Now we're ready to bring our 4-flat harness towards our hitch receiver to have it mounted right there. Now luckily we're going to bring it right behind our bumper beam support, which will help keep it safe behind it. So behind the bumper, we're going to go and bring it up above our hitch. We'll pull that nice and tight, and then we'll bring it behind this bumper support bracket. And then we'll bring it right over here next to the receiver. And we'll clean up all this extra slack once we've had it mounted. To secure our 4-flat harness, we're going to use a 4-flat mounting bracket. Now this is not included with our kit, but you can pick it up at your closest U-Haul center or at uhaul.com. So we're going to line it up at the bottom of the bumper. And we're going to go right here since there's a support bracket right here behind there. And then using a 3/16 drill bit, we're going to drill our first hole. And then using the provided hardware, we'll bring our screw in. And we'll bring up our bracket into place and we'll secure it using our provided nut. And we'll go ahead and square it up and repeat on the second hole. And then we'll tighten it using a 3/8 socket. And then we'll bring our 4-flat harness into the bracket. And then we'll put the dust cover on. And then we'll go ahead and clean our wires behind our bumper using some zip ties. With everything hooked up and secured, you're ready to tow a trailer. Thank you for watching our video. If you have any questions or need more information on this product, or if you'd like to schedule an installation with a U-Haul Hitch professional, you can visit your closest U-Haul Hitch center, or you can visit us online at uhaulhitches.com. Thank you.